an elevation of 8,560 feet. We'll travel over 2.5 miles of cable by well.
Oh, so beautiful.
At the top, the temperature averages some 40 degrees good. Wild change, and the trees, flowers, and the rocks.
That's fine. You'll be back around. I just wanted to make sure that I didn't put them on. It doesn't go anywhere.
I see.
Yeah, it doesn't go anywhere. And your phone is on, just to let you know.
All other towers and the mountains have been constructed by With a new rotating tram cars, the improvements included new cable drive system and the removal of 1,000 cubic yards of rock. We'll see survey marks with rock face during the trip that indicates where rock removal is required. The new cabins